So let's start with the unboxing of this particular case and see how it is performing for this tablet. So I have already opened the cover and I purchased it from Amazon. So I will place the link for purchase in the description. If you like, you can go ahead and purchase this particular case. So packaging wise it is good. Let's just open and check inside. So here you can see in the cover it's written Pro Electronics and more. So MRP over interesting fact is MRP given over here is rupees 1999 and I purchased it for around 1500 rupees, 1500 rupees. So based on the MRP I think that it's a good deal. But however, let's go and see the case and see does it truly satisfy or compensate for the price what I have paid for this. So here is a user manual where you can see it's written heavy duty rugged case and Pirate series tablet case user guide. So okay, so here you can see the installation guide. So this is the first time I'm ever seeing a case where I can see that it has having a user guide. So this is again a spoon type spatula. I think I don't know where it will be used, but again let's see. Okay, so what is this? Okay, this is a strap that has been given along with the case. Okay, let's see and open. Okay, let's keep it aside. So looking at this, okay, these are the two. Let's open. Okay, so these are the clips which will be tagged to the tablet, most likely this particular area. Okay, and it can be used for hanging purpose or to carry over the shoulders. So and this is the cable or strap that we can be used. Well, let's keep it aside and go ahead and see the tablet. So there is one paper. Okay, more marketing. Now okay, here is the tablet itself. So here is the case itself for the tablet. So let me be correct. So okay, so looking at the outer material, this particular material is of silicon and all the corners are protected by silicon. So here you can see like there is a damping position here. So if I press it, it goes inside. So this is a good protection that will be offered from the case. And this particular rotation area is for this holding place. Here you can put your hands and lock it. So if you are holding the case like that, it won't fall and you can rotate it as per your requirement. So this is a good thing that they have provided, because many of the times when you are holding the case like this, you feel it's quite heavy to hold in one hand for some time, and after a few minutes or 5-10 minutes you will feel like you should just keep the tablet away and switch back to your mobile for your content consumption. However, if you are doing something productive, then this will be helpful. Okay, so let's just open it and see what more. Okay, so here is a stand also provided in the case. You can keep the stand like this and good to go. So I'm not sure it can be used by, okay, so okay, so the stand can be also be used vertically as well as horizontally. So you can place it either way and you can use the tablet for your entertainment, working or any office purpose. So being a tablet, given the tablet is especially for media consumption and productive work, this is a good case. Now here is a switch or a clamp or a push button which we need to press it against. After pressing it, then only the upper stand will go inside. So once you press it, it's go back to this holding position. So it has gone back. So there is a tablet. You can pause the video and can see all the details of the tablet. 4 corners with damping position. This is the screen protector area where screen will be covered from this particular area. This particular ring, whatever you can see right here. Now let's go ahead and start placing the tablet into this particular case and see how the look and feel is. So first thing you need to do is open this particular outer shell that is given over here. So you can use this particular tool. So place it like this and push it outward, so it should come out. So this, you can see that it has come out. Now again you need to do the same thing from other side and the front panel will come out. Now holding this area, again push it. Don't push it too hard or else it may break, because it is a clamp based lock. Once 3 are out, you can just push it outward and it will come out. All the cases part are out right now. So this is the front area. So now you can see that the tablet case is out, and again it's look very premium right now. Now let's see how to place the tablet inside it. So first thing, let's close this strap so that I can easily place it onto the table. So okay, it's done. Now make sure this particular cutout is for the camera cutout, so you will place it like this, push it, and this is done. Now next thing in this process is pull this particular silicone rubber outside and cover the area of the tablet. So like from, let's start from this corner, so it's up. So you can see that I am pulling it out from all the corners and pushing the tablet inside. Okay, so this area is done. Now let's start from the other end. So this is the cover for the charging port. Okay, so all the ports are out. Now push the tablet in its position. Once done, now next step you need to is close this opening. So you just need to press it inward and make sure it is completely touching the screen of the tablet. Okay, so we are good with this. Okay, I brought a piece of cloth so that I can clean some oil from the screen. So I haven't cleaned it quite a long time, so it look a bit clean, so that corner cannot be cleaned afterward once I place the tablet. So it's ready now. So now next thing you need to do is, after placing it, you can see that it's completely fixed, and make sure the camera alignment is here and the camera alignment for front camera is here near to this. Once done, you need to again get this particular top case and place it over here. Now start clamping it back to its original position. So I pushed this against the camera, this lock, push this against this particular lock, and it is on the position. Now let's lock it from the side. It's done. From this side it's done. Again this side and this side. Now these are easy. Now coming to this part, so here it will be you need to apply some pressure to pull it and push it into this lock position. So it's done. Okay, so now we have covered the case completely, locked the case and the tablet. So look and feel why it look good in this, and you can just make sure that all the locks are completely in its position. Now you can see that this is a cutout for the S Pen. You can just, and it will be on its original position, and it's a good hold, so pen will not fall out. However, there is a magnet also inside this on the tablet, so it will stick anyways to this particular. This can also be rotated after installing the tablet. So now coming to the look and feel. So look wise, it's look quite good. The overall weight of the tablet has increased, and that is obvious, but the level of protection, the level of confidence after putting this case on this particular tablet is good. You can see that there is I can say that there is a distance of around 5 millimeter from the top of the tablet to the top of this case, this area. So there is a distance of around 5 millimeter that is covered between the tablet and the top case. Now okay, this got unlocked because of face recognition. So on the corner here you can see that they are damping position, so this is the hole where we can put the strap if you want this particular strap. So let me show you. So you can just insert it and lock it, and you can just hang your strap and lock it with this clip and over to your shoulders. So these are the 4 tapping area. The distance that we are getting from the screen and on to the body is around 3 or 4 mm, so that is also a good thing. We are getting too much of space. So yes, this is the tablet. So if you feel like you are planning to get a new tablet and you don't want a flap one, so I believe this is the best tablet you can buy right now for 1500 bucks. And given that you are going to cover your Galaxy Tab S6, which is a too costly device, so this is highly recommended that you get and save your device from any fall. Okay, now you can see that we have put on the case onto our Tab S6, and the case is pretty much looking great on this particular tab. Now let's see how the ports and opening are working after placing the cover onto the tab. So first thing that you can see that the body or the outer area is around 4 mm above the screen, so that is a good protection for screen. On the back side we can see the silicone case rubber is there, and on the corners dampers are present. Now apart from this, let's see the charging port. So you can see that the charging port cover is very much good, and once you open, you are getting ample of space to put in your charging plug. So let me zoom in into it a little bit, and you can see here that the charging port is doing pretty much good. Okay, now you can see that. So there is an ample of space, and I can insert my finger completely. So you are getting quite a large area where you can easily put your charging plug of that charger. So and once charging is done, you can just close this case and it will be a good cover to protect it from dust. Now zooming out, and we can see that the case is good, doing very much good, and the overall fit and finish is very much fine. Now let's see the sound ports, that how the sound ports are working. So let's unlock and play some music.
Warning, this video.
Okay, so left speakers are working right now and right are working. So all the speakers are working fine, and the sound is coming from all the 4 vents of the speaker. So the sound is, you can say that it passes the sound to flying colors. Let's close the sound. And so here now let's open the camera and see if it's working or not. So the camera is working very much fine, and front camera, back camera. So camera is also working very fine. Now you can see that the case is very good, and once you are using it in hand, you can just insert your hands into this particular strap and you can hold it. So no need of grabbing it. It will be an easy thing to do it, hold it. And that's the pretty much review for this particular case. So I will drop the link in the description. You can go ahead and purchase from that particular link if you want to buy this if you want to buy this case. Thank you.